Hey guys, my name is Wilbert. I'm the Executive Chef of the Greenville Drive. Today we're going to show you how to sear some nice lamb chops. This is actually New Zealand lamb chop, and then we have these beautiful vegetables, beautiful fresh carrots, beautiful turnips, lemon, tangerine, garlic, shallots, thyme, rosemary, and bay leaf. And then after that, we're going to mix a little bit of the salad with the same vegetables that we have for the lamb chops. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the lamb chop like by 2 bones. See, that way it's easy to cook, and we get a nice medium rare side. The second step, we're gonna put our lamb chops in a different container. We're gonna add a little bit of cumin, pepper, of course, sea salt, a little bit of celery salt. That's it. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. All right, now that we got these beautiful turnips, they've been washed already, we're gonna cut it. And I recommend not to peel them. Use all the turnips. Then we're gonna cut it like in 4 pieces. That way when we cook it, we have the little beautiful, nice al dente, not so overcooked. We're gonna save one for the salad. Now we have these beautiful fresh carrots, and we're gonna save some for the salad as well. We're gonna leave some stems, and we're gonna, this one, so we're gonna cut it maybe in half. See? Then we have the shallots. Remember, just get some nice bios chunks. That way it's nice and juicy when you eat it, not so dry. And then we have this carrot, which we're gonna leave it whole. A little bit of thyme, rosemary, and we're gonna cut this lemon in half, so we can add it to the lamb chops. We've got this nice, beautiful olive oil. Alright, now that we have a little bit of sear, we're going to add a beautiful shallot, garlic, rosemary and thyme, bay leaf, and a lemon. Now we're going to put this to the side. Then we're going to add the rest of our vegetables. You see, this is how you do it. You cook it in one pan. You don't need a bunch of other stuff. Just nice and beautiful, nice seared lamb chops. Flip them. And now that it's seared, we're going to put it in the oven for 7 minutes at 375, and that should give you a nice medium rare. All right, now we save some vegetables for the salad. Make sure these chunks are well. You want a little nice crunches on your salad. You don't want nice mushy vegetables in your salad. We got this one turnip in here. We also then we're gonna peel these beautiful tangerines. That's also gonna go in the salad. All right, now that's done. Gonna get some segments like that. You can get a big chunks, don't matter. All right, now we're gonna add this to our salad. Beautiful greens in here. Look at this, beautiful. Gonna get some lemon juice, olive oil, lots of it. And I love olive oil. Sea salt. Pepper, and there you go. Now we're going to add a little bit of dry apricots, dry cranberries, and my corn almonds. Alright, now that 7 minutes has passed, see how they're doing? Look at that. Alright, now that it's done, we're going to cut it. That's perfect actually. Now we have our vegetables ready. We want to do this step by step. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, nice shallots, garlic, and rosemary. It's nice, beautiful lamb chops. And voila. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy making pan-seared lamb chops and roasted vegetables and a nice beautiful salad.